accosted for religious or ethnic reasons must be charged with crimes against humanity.
If we take this solemn vow of never again, as we have since the Jewish Holocaust under the Nazis.
He's trying to go behind the bookcase.
And he'll probably succeed, too.
Oh, yeah, that's real.
He can get everywhere. You okay?
Yeah. No, he's ready for some action.
It's wild right now. I need to take a video of him when you first start, because that's when he's the craziest.
I saw him coil.
I don't know if I got that, though, because I his jump. I could see him moving.
That's okay.
Well, his reflection was on that blue tub. Get him. See if you can get him out in the open. I know he wants to hide.
Here we go.
He bumped his head on the TV cart. Crazy.
Did you catch that?
Yeah, I got that. Too bad I didn't get him jumping up in the air that one time. See if you can get him to jump up. Like he did before.
Okay,
He says,
enough.
I gotta go eat now.